Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. Don't worry, I will give you the few video you watch, but before I do that, guys, I brought you again another pastor. This is Father Mbaka. I'm gonna tell you about him
Father
right
Francis,
now.
right? For the first
Okay,
one.
remember I did a lot of video for Father Mbaka. If you go to my forum, I started Mbaka's video around June, July. Okay, guys, if you have not watched it, go back, watch the other video. Then you can be able to connect to this particular video I'm going and making right now. Father Mbaka is a very big man in the Church of God, but there is something that is going on lately. Okay, look at it now. You remember the video I make far back about him concerning an old mini man that did juju for to be a monk. Evil pastor. So if you have not watched that video, go and watch everything. Then you can be able to connect.
Father Francis, right? For the first one.
Mbaka.
Yeah, first.
After sending Father Mbaka to monastery, guys, in Nigeria, Father Mbaka promised in the congregation, na just ka ha yaje monastery here. No, one here ha baria. So all take it no prayer. Mother land plan B for him. Going to monastery in Nigeria. After that, do you know that they bundled Father Mbaka to Los Angeles, where they place him in a monastery. This monastery, they were dimension. They were dimension where Father Mbaka JT. Bible said that they have proceeded evil and wickedness.
Yes.
Tell me how
Father Francis, right? For the first one.
Yeah, at monastery where men dimension people are. When he's there now, and he will start seeing that these people who has dementia is not even actually dementia, rather is witchcraft bewitchment on their brain, because he's a spiritual man. If you are a spiritual person, you will know that there is some certain things that is not right. And when you try to say it, people will think that you are crazy, and they will be giving you a medication that is that they give to crazy person. From there, Oyala, mother, Adela loss, so this is not good for Father Mbaka. People who say they love Father Mbaka, why can't you people go into prayers and pray for this man so that
Father
he will
Francis,
come back
right?
to
For
the
the first
operation?
one.
You say you love him, and now that he's not in there with you, some of you have already run from that place and go to meet that evil pastor congregation because of miracle. You want miracle, you want urgent miracle. You run from the congregation you are. Now you are in pastor and pastor in Enugu State who has a hand in what is happening to Father Mbaka. Now you are there seeking for miracle instead of praying for your father who left you. You people educated from Nigeria. And Father Philip from California. I've come to stay with you to be a monk. Well, we do have a monk here from Rwanda.
Yes. Father Francis, right? For the first one.
First property.
Yeah, first.
And then, of course, there is from Ireland a house in Liberia itself. So this is St. Andrew's Monastery. Abbey in the monastery. It's a Benedictine monastery. We have one in Nigeria, home monastery. It's from our congregation as well. Yeah. From Ireland. From Ireland. Yeah. Wow. We're actually... Thanks for watching. Drop your comment below, like and share this video. Share it.